important to feed your children with puja, satsang. It will come a time, my dear devotees. These days, there are plenty cans that be walking around the place, Some of them have jacket and tie, some of them have dhoti and kurta too. Yeah? And they have plenty cans. But when you instill into the children of our village, our community, and the beautiful island of Trinidad and Tobago, my dear devotees, what happened? Bhagwan will surely bless them. And like this, my dear devotees, Shukadev Muni is telling, Hey Rajan, अनेक रक्षा से गंबर गंबर में है बालक को है मरे नी फिरते परंतु है कंस के है कर शक्ति है आपकी मारे जयागी है हे राजन अनेक रक्षा से. And like this, my dear devotees, he unleashed that demon by the name of Putna, my dear devotees. है कि है तुम्हें है हमारा काम सिद्ध हो गए है और बालक को तुम मुझके है वहाँ है. She taken this form, my dear devotees. अज्ञान शरीरों पे धारण करने हैं गोकुल के चले दी और मरगम में है वहाँ विचार करती जाती है. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? प्रकार बन तन गोकुल के में है पहुँची. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? That Putna, my dear devotees, that demoness, take that passport from Mathura and she entered Gokul. She entered Braj, my dear devotees, but she entered Braj as a beautiful woman, as a babysitter, as we call it in Trinidad and Tobago. She came as a disguise of a babysitter. Sometimes we leave our children in the hands of babysitters who we do not know their background, and we leave our little tender bache in their hands. And then, my dear devotees, what happened? Instead of saying Jai Radha Madhava, they started saying Jai One Direction. The wrong one's laughing, Hey, the boys and little girls laughing, no? If you ask them who is Jagjeet, no, Baba, there ain't no Jug, no Jeet, he no sing. If you ask them about One Direction, and the man with the corn, the popcorn with the trim in the microwave and he just pop up. Yeah, they know all of that. But when you ask them to sing, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And like this, my dear devotees, she disguised herself as a baby sitter, my dear devotees. What happened? Like this, my dear devotees, Madan Su Sakan ke aur banki चिंतन है ब्रज किया है मन को है मोहित in that form of Maya, my dear devotees. What happened? And she went house to house looking for that child. Why she was looking for that child, my dear devotees? Remember the last child? That was the switch. When he took that child from the garb of Rohini, and the switch when Nanda went across to Gokul and bring across the child back to Mathura, my dear devotees. And when the Kansa fly down to that jail cell, and he saw that it was a young lady, a Kumari, he was disappointed. And as he take that child and slam it onto the ground, the child went up into the air and pronounced a shra. And who was that child? Chandika, Durga Devi Mata, Ambika Devi Mata. And she pronounced a shra. And because of that, my dear devotees, he performed that instruction and sent his demons and demoness to the village looking for children, my dear devotees. And when we see in society, my dear devotees, they say they can't get the mother and the father. They just take the child. And that is the reality of the day. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? She entered to the home of Nanda and Yashoda, my dear devotees. What happened? Swatar kar gaye, janam mag gaye, prani koi अंतर्यामी है. श्री कृष्ण चंद्र इसे भाल के ध्यानी पूतना को देकर, and as she entered, Bhagwan recognizing, my dear devotees, त्याग कर Jangam Prani Koe, that recognition of that demon, that little Balak who is just barely one day old, my dear devotees, recognize the demon. And he allowed her. He allowed her to take him and put him on her lap. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? ऐसे रीति प्रीति बड़े बता चित्र वर्के उनके है रूप है पोतना से चू करे है कृष्णा जी को हो गो धमे के है लगे और भयानक विष लगा हुए अपना संतान करने मुख माले है. And like this, my dear devotees, she placed the mouth of Bhagwan Sri Krishna onto her breast. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? Bhagwan started to suckle and suckle. And like this, my dear devotees, what happened? कुपित होकर कृष्ण चंद्र की है दोनों ही हाथ से उसके संतान वहां करते हैं प्राण सहित. And like this, my dear devotees, the Lord started to pull, and the Lord started to pull. And when he started to pull, my dear devotees, what happened? पोतना के है महागंभीर शब्द है पर्व तो सहित पृथ्वी काम पया मन हो गए है. And like this, my dear devotees, when she realized that she got the Lord to start to destroy the Lord, my dear devotees, the reverse take place. The Lord started to pull, and pull. And when he started to pull, he started to pull out her life. He started to pull out her prani, my dear devotees. And what happened? Like this, my dear devotees, he started to pull out her life. And upon pulling out her life, my dear devotees, the Lord, in his Balak Rup form, my dear devotees, what happened? That soul, that life force of Potna, my dear devotees, has fell onto the ground. And like this, my dear devotees, जगत के है बालक को है मरने हैं वाले हैं और रूप देकर प्यारी पोतना भगवान के स्त्यान फिर कर मरे के इच्छ की परंतु भगवान के है उसकी मोक्ष दिया है. And that demon, evil woman by the name of Potna, my dear devotees, what happened? Uska moksha diya hai, that she was given that liberation. She died at the hands of the Lord Sri Krishna. And like this, my dear devotees, it is said, my dear devotees, who listens to this katha of the liberation of that demoness, who listens, develop love, bhakti for Govinda. Sri Bhagwan Vasudev, Sri Bhagwan Vasudev सर्व घट घट के वासी उनके उसके है हृदय को गति जानकर कहा ही है श्री कृष्ण बात में है तेरी कामना पूर्व हुए दैत्य कुल है इसका जन्म साध तसी देकर करने रक्षा करे है. My dear devotees, unlike this, my dear devotees, upon given that liberation to that Lord, what happens? The next chapter tells of the greatness of the Lord's glory. It tells the greatness, what happens when Kans heard the news that his demons was destroyed. Kans get furious and he started to unleash weapons of destruction to all the children of Gokul. It is said, Iti Shri Bhagavate Mahapurane Dashaskande Purvadvaye Bhashatika Tanya hai Jo koi hai Shari Surdev Purtat Moksha hai Rupeni ne naam Shodash hai Adhyaya hai. Ek baar bole Shri Bange Bihari ki Jai Radha Madhava Jai Hari Om. Ajnanam param guhyam me yadvijnanasamanvitam sarahastam tarasya grihandritam maya yavanaham yatavavo yadurabanga karmataha tadaiva tattva vijnanam namastute madnugraha ahameva sameva vade nandayayata sarasatparam pashtaranam yodeyacha yode shiveta somasyaham pratite arta pratite naha pratite chatmani Tvaripanna atmanomayam yata bhavo yata tama. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. Bolo. Om namo bhagavate vasudevaya. As we pray for the welfare of our children, my dear devotees, for the children of this universe, we all sit upright. Hari Om. Adaram Maduram Vandanam Maduram Nayanam Maduram Hasitam Maduram Adaram Maduram Vandanam Maduram Nayanam Maduram Hasitam Maduram Hridayam Maduram Kamaram Maduram Madhurari Pate Yakiram Maduram Vajanam Maduram Charitam Vamanam Maduram Charitam Vajanam Maduram Charitam Maduram Ravitam Maduram Madhurari Pate Yakiram Maduram O Madhurari Pate Yakiram Maduram Venu Madhuro Venu Madhura Ani Madhura Ara Madhura Venu Madhuro Venu Madhura Ani Madhura Ara Madhura Setyam Madhuram Satyam Madhuram Madhurari Pate Yakiram Madhuram Adaram Madhuram Madhuram Nayanam Madhuram Hasitam Madhuram Hridayam Madhuram Kamaram Madhuram Madhurari Pate Yakiram O Madhurari Pate Yakiram Madhuram O Madhurari Pate Yakiram Madhuram. एक बार बोले श्री बांके बिहारी लाल की. And my dear devotees, this has brought us all to the end of the 3 afternoons of Bhagavad Katha. Being your humble servant, my dear devotees, I take this opportunity to thank each and everyone for coming. Today really is a wonderful day. Why it is a wonderful day, my dear devotees? Like Putna in her last life, she was the daughter of Mahabali. She was known as Ratnamala. And when Bhagwan came in the form of the Brahman, what happened? And he came into the Rajan's, Mahabali's home, that Ratnamala had a desire. And what was that desire, my dear devotees? It wasn't a good one. It was a bad one. And when Ratnamala died, my dear devotees, she came back into this world as Putna, my dear devotees. It's how life is. Every one of you all are sitting here tonight. Because of your past karma, you are experiencing this. Not much people can be part of this. And that is why I tell many, many times, we are fortunate. When I say we, I mean all of us. We are fortunate. On Sunday the 8th, we'll be starting that Ganesh Utsav. Why? We are a Ganesh Mandir. And for 20 years and coming, then to now, we are existing. When you get a chance, on that, by the speaker box, there's a little picture of how it was to what it is now, and have room for more. But you know, in my 6 years, there was a particular individual who was instrumental for this. Not me. I just the Baba. I come and do the puja. Puja Bhagwan Siddhi Vinaya Ganapati. All I had to do. And everything does go good. But there's an individual who is instrumental. So before I continue, I call on our good friend Alan Rambaros. So Alan comes out. Hi. Come inside, Saru. My dear devotees, it gives me great pleasure to introduce to you, let's give Alan. Alan again, you know, Alan again. It gives me great pleasure, my dear devotees, to look at a 2x3, a 4x6, a 20x20. 6 years ago I met this individual in this same place. And when we came here, the roof wasn't so. They just had a structure. And what it is today is because of an individual. I now call on none other than the president, not of Trinidad and Tobago, but the president of Ganesh Mandir. Please give him a round of applause. Yeah. You looking small, but you have it. Yeah, real weight. Look more liquid weight, eh? Liquid. So Dave, on behalf of myself, Pandit Govindra, Payo, and every member of this mandir here sitting tonight, we have this beautiful token of appreciation we want to give to you for your tireless work. Sometimes at the seat you want to give up. But one thing with that, I must tell you, as a guru does always tell you, Pandit Vidya, Atiti Devo Bhava. Guest is God. In your home, in your village, and most important, in your mandir. So this is a beautiful token that we all decide to give to you with love and adoration to you. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Ek baar bole Shri Ramdev Hari Lal ki Jai. My dear devotees, it is a really wonderful day, and you know, yesterday we had birthday, last time we had cake, it was Nav's birthday, we had plenty cake and ice cream and whatever the case may be. But like everything else, my dear devotees, our children is our children. We try to get our children involved because they are the future of tomorrow. Before we do Arti, my dear devotees, there was supposed to be a dance. I didn't see the dancer. The dancer must be going in our next temple, but nevertheless, we'll find out if you have any dance later on. So before we conclude, my dear devotees, before I give my last Ashirwad, you know, Govinda's Guru is a wonderful person to me. He just tries his best not to blank me. But you know, he just tells me sometimes, Baba, you know, we think let's go. So before we go, everybody know Pandit Navin, he'll be here in the Ganesh Utsav for 2 nights. He has that vibration, that is why we call him Chaturvedi. So he's telling me, give him a ride here, and he'll tell him later or tomorrow. But nevertheless, I take this opportunity to call Pandit Navin Umarat Maharaj Chaturvedi ji to grace us with his blessings. Ek baar bole Shri Vrindavan Hari Lal ki Jai. Umapati Mahadev ki Jai. So Panditji will talk on behalf of all the Pandits tonight.
एक बार बोलो श्री वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. Reverend Nityas, my good friend of course, and Elder Brother Pandit Prakash, among the 7 of us that are together, I am the youngest. They are elders of the interview which I can teach. My two elders are most respected, of course, Pandit colleagues, Pandit Anand, Pandit Kewat, young Pandit Vinny, who is the godson of Pandit Prakash, and of course, young Pandit Govinda. Chiran, I want you to listen and say after me, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Panditji, of course, made some wonderful points, one of which I just want to reiterate and to heighten or do it for awareness or sensitizing, as the case might be. Putna Mahapatrasya. Putna was considered to be, of course, foremost amongst the demon race. But in her previous life, she was of beautiful shape. When she left this world, the Gita tells you, Yam Yam, Vapi, Smaram, Bhavam, Antakali, Varam. Whatever is your last thought when you leave, that is what you become in your subsequent life. She cherished everything about her life, but you see her beauty, she appreciated that more than anything else. So in her last moments, of course, she cherished the desire to have that beauty in the subsequent life. Bhagavan, of course, had different plans for her, and so when she was reborn, and she came to Bhagavan Sri Krishna, she thought to herself, Krishna is born in Rohini Nakshatra. He is said to be foremost and best amongst the devas. He's called Leela Purushottam. And if you read a little further in Bhagavad, he was a ladies' man. So she wanted to know from small if this child have that same kind of quality. So she take a form and will enchant him. But of course, that brought her demise. So, to my dear friends, you see, when trickery has to come to our children, it comes in many forms. Good-looking people, nice games on computers, and beautiful websites geared and designed to attract the attention of our children, to draw them, and to pull them away, of course, and influence them in all different ways of life, except this way. And I want you to be conscious of that. And when you give your children, I love to make this illustration, when you give your children expensive gadgets, make sure and monitor what they do on it. Because they can very well be, of course, pulled into that web and that illusion that has been created, just as what we are trying to do to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. You are the parents, you are responsible, of course, for the safety and security of your children. Ensure, of course, that they listen to you and that you make them and you sensitize them to the many, many different putnas. They have our all kind of cancer away. So do it happen in the putna. So Bhagavan, of course, bless you. While you were reading there, of course, and I thought of one bhajan that I will share with you. Sona sona lage biraj gada gokul ko chod chale gada. Sona sona lage biraj gada gokul ko chod chale gada. Sona sona lage biraj gada gokul ko chod Hari Om. First and fifth line. Hari Om. Vanshi Vibhushita Karana Vanida Dabad Pitambarada Bhimmalada Shikata Puranindu Mukhadar Vindranita Krishna Param Kimapi Tattvam Aham Jane Sri Krishna Govinda Hare
एक बार बोले सिरुमापति महादेव की जय. You know, when we are pundits, anywhere we go, we act like pundits. And you know, Pandit Navid is also a teacher. And you know, you have this, and he's the dean of the school also. So you always bring this illustration whenever he speaks in school. And so true, my devotees. I just only the RI teacher. I teach religious instruction in Tunapuna Government Secondary. While they perform the Purnahuti, my devotees, we blend our voices, glorifying the name of Bhagwan to singing the glories. Hari Om, mujhe charanon se laga le, meri sham murli wale. Mujhe charanon se laga le, meri sham murli wale. Mujhe charanon se laga le, meri sham murli wale. O mere swast swast mein tera, o mere swast swast mein tera.
Hey,
गोपाल बोले श्री बांके बिहारी लाल की जय. My dear devotees, we all reverently and kindly stand. Upavishakam, Aarti करेंगे. As we all reverently and kindly wave that second line, as we glorify the Lord of this true world, known as Bhagavan Sri Krishna. Hari Om. Yamni Kani Chakapani Janmanta Kritani Cha Tani Kani Vinashyante Paraksha Pare Pare. Jai Jai Bhagavatam, Jai 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 Bhagavatam, Jai Jai Bhagavatam. श्रीबद्रीनाथ विशंबरम इंद्रचंद्र कुबेर दिनकर धूपदीप प्रकाशितम सेदि मुनि जन करत जय जय श्रीबद्रीनाथ विशंबरम यक्ष किनार कर्त कौतक ज्ञान गर्व प्रकाशितम लक्ष्मी कमल चरण डोले श्रीबद्रीनाथ विशंबरम शक्ति गौरी गणेश शारद नारद मुनि जन उचारम श्री योग ध्यान अपर लीला श्रीबद्रीनाथ विशंबरम श्री कैलाश में एक देव निरंजन शैल शिखर महेश्वरम राजा युधिष्ठिर करत स्तुति श्रीबद्रीनाथ विशंबरम प्रतिदिनं कुशलं जयमंगलम् त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव That's a school day. Pandit Mukesh from Princess Town will be the reader. Follow with Pandit Kevraj, follow with Pandit Navin, follow with Pandit Robin, follow with Pandit Narendra. Then we have Pandit again, Pandit Navin again, and then the last night, yours truly will be here taking you through the phases and recapping what happened in the night of the Ganesh Utsav. Then the Wednesday, we will all gather and then we will go to Manzalana. We will leave here at 9 o'clock, so we will reach Manzalana at 11 o'clock. And we have the Visarjan of Bhagwan Siddhivinayak. Bhojan has been prepared to each and every one. May Bhagwan bless you now and always. Until we meet again, to each and every one, Sabko Isi Taram. Prem se bolo Bangke Bihari Lal ki.